Inside your body's courtroom, the liver stands trembling under the spotlight, the silent hero breaking down your junk. I've cleaned your blood every day, fought off your junk, but I'm breaking, and nobody's listening, the liver pleads. Zoom out, the brain sits as judge. The heart and kidneys form the jury, watching the liver's desperate testimony. Zoom through your body's systems, toxins creeping in, inflammation swelling, fat slowly invading your liver's space. This isn't just a liver. It's your life support. And it's about to give its final plea, the narrator warns. Most people ignore the signs, until it's too late. Would you be different? The heart whispers, if the liver shuts down, we all go down. When overwhelmed, your liver stores fat, risking non-alcoholic fatty liver disease affecting over 25% of adults worldwide. Every glass of wine, fried meal, sugar bomb, it all comes to me. I just get fatter, the liver admits tiredly. The kidney alarms, cirrhosis. That's terminal. The liver counters, not yet. But we're dancing on the edge. Feeling tired? Bloated? Brain fog or yellow skin? High cholesterol or sudden weight gain? That's your liver screaming quietly. If you must drink, give me time to recover, the liver pleads. The heart responds, can we support you? If your liver could beg, would you still ignore it? It's begging right now. Start healing today. It's not too late to give your liver the care it desperately needs. Cut back to the courtroom. The liver's final plea has been heard. Now, it's your move. The liver has served silently for years, detoxifying, digesting, storing energy, keeping you alive. But the abuse has gone too far. Every toxin, every fatty meal piles up as a hidden burden on this hero. You call it a hangover. I call it a warning, the liver cries, echoing inside your body. But there's hope, I can still heal, if you let me, the liver softly promises. Your liver has spoken. Will you listen? Cut toxins, feed it right, and let it save your life quietly every day. Start healing today. Your silent hero deserves a chance to keep fighting for you. The liver's final plea echoes, will you answer before it's too late?